Karbi Students Association called for a press conference over land compensation scam at four-laning National Highway project. Kingswood Music Studio organized annual performance lab at Deephu on 17th of December. Karbi Artist Forum organized its first consultative meet at Deephu on 17th of December. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Live English Prime Time. On 17th of December, Karbi Students Association called for a press conference at KSA head office Rongtheang over land compensation scam along four-laning National Highway project at Karbi Anglong. The rightful and genuine landowners of the region whose ever land falls under the radar of the four-laning project was to be compensated by the government. But in reality, it is happening alternatively opposite to it. Hence, regarding this occurrence, a press conference was called at KSA head office Rongtheang to express their dissatisfactions over the controversial land compensation money. Thang Sing Timung, president of KSA, Karbi Students Association, during the press conference spoke about the unlawful and injustice prevailing with the rightful landowners of Doboka to Dimapur area, where they had been deprived from the land compensation money. He also raised his concern about the non-intervention of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into this matter and also questioned Horen Singh Bey, members of parliament, as why he remained silent by not addressing his issue at parliament despite elected as a representative of 3 ST districts.
Lapen non labang National Highway Authority of India pen sikasilam lage central pen hormu pinaka posi ilitum Karbi Anglong mate West Karbi Anglong lapen dimahasawa farman ke central along mate parliament along labang so kisung alam pali dunji pali dunde mate central amunit itum kachi to dun long te MP henlo lasi alangli MP Horen Singh Bey pidikonalo alangli ilitum Karbi Anglong district along laan si krong pli alam ki prung durapit alang li pilo Horen Singh Bey ilitum central fan si ka represent bang lo central fan ka represent bang plota te piniarni parliament arlo labangso krong pli atwar kasilam scam puthak alang li parliament anu lingi duna hema.
If Horen Singh Bey MP can place the concern of Rajdhani Express train stoppage for the convenience of the people, why is not he addressing the issue of corruption, unlawful practices in the land compensation despite surfacing so many controversies into the limelight? Is it because Horen Singh Bey MP is also indulged into these practices and scam? Question Thang Sing Timung.
Alang ni Satabdi train pasang nang ji puge ningje dun hai parliament aru. Satabdi train ta sang ne sang sene chinin ne. Lasi Satabdi train pasang nang ji po alang li parliament aru ningje dun hai protang te kopia posi non Karbi Anglong arlo labangso krong pli atwar alam ki phodut apit alang li parliament arlo je krong pli atwar kasilam Karbi Anglong arlo scandal thepik scam thepik alang li ningje dun hedelo madi alang li labangso krong pli atwar kasilam along asap sup kachirap lok duko jone to alang li labangso krong pli alam ki alang li parliament arlo ta ningje dun hedelo.
If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fails to resolve this issue and compensate the rightful owner, Karbi Students Association would launch a strength agitation and would move to the higher level if necessary. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, must pay heed and intervene into these sensitive issues prevailing in all the section of four-laning project across Karbi Anglong district. Severe punishment should be given to any official as case AROs, Mandals, MAC, EMs if found involved into this scam. The Students Association is also currently engaged in independent investigation. If any names turn up during the course of investigation, their name would be exposed and Karbi Students Association would not be held responsible for it.
Council punon mati ilitum IMP sar punon lampe cepak lang pen. Kuna si ke chok chin naima hala ke chok che tuman ta bengnang ji komania mondol ero EM chinilo ke chok che tuman lo bengnang ji la penon Karbi lo chale song hin betamela bangso po tarli pomlo mo ke tarli ba hut komani men klang ham plotang te niri tuman adai pinang ne nangli tuman aron thing sing sai ji.
News report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 17th of December, Kingswood Music Studio organized one-day annual performance lab at Rongkangtui Deephu. On this occasion, Jeong-oh McChris's South Korean pianist attended as a guest and shared her passion for music with all the music enthusiasts. Under the initiative Jiva Ningti, president of Kingswood Music Studio, several workshops on Western music like piano, guitar, etc. were conducted to all the music enthusiasts across the districts. Many children benefited from the workshop and had excelled in Western music. Hence, on 17th of December, on the occasion of one-day annual performance lab, all the students showcased their skills and talents, consequently making their parents proud. Likewise, Jeong-oh McChris's South Korean pianist attended as a guest and shared her achievements, passion and crazy for music with all the children and music enthusiasts. She also mesmerized the participants with her enchanting tune of his piano. Longsoder Ingti's report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 17th of December, Karbi Artist Forum KAF organized its first consultative meet at Lurulangso Rangsina Sarpo Auditorium Hall, Dipu. Artists from various Karbi Artist Forum provinces participated at the event. Padmasri Dhaneswar Ingti attended as the chief guest of the event. Eminent singers Susikola Hansepi and several dignitaries of Karbi Artist Forum attended as a guest of the event. Katharson Ingti, president of Karbi Artist Forum, while speaking with us, informed about the vision as well as the resolutions adopted during the consultative meet. Here is the visual.
Itu prapjin pen mo April ciklo 13-14 the Karbi Artist Festival po. So Karbi Artist Festival la bangnilum langkung habe kalite joising dolo itu avenue bang fix felang.
Longsoder Ingti reports for Karbi Anglong Live. On 17th of December, Kheroni High School at Kheroni West, Karbi Anglong District celebrated its Golden Jubilee celebration on achieving its glorious completions of 50 years since its establishment. The celebration was started from an early hour of 17 December by hoisting the official flag of Kheroni High School by Bornali Ingtipi, president of SMDC, and the honor of hoisting the Golden Jubilee celebration flag was done by Buleswar Inghi, president of Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee. Dhoniram Dera, principal of Kheroni High School, Baburam Rongpar, chairman VDC of Kopili, Dhonsing Dera, chairman of Socheng Lams, Ramsing Phangcho, village headman, Buleswar Inghi, president of Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee, Joyram Ronghang, Weli Timungpi, Rohila Kropi, and many retired teachers as well as alumni of the school attended the Golden Jubilee celebration.
আৰু এই 50 বছৰৰ গৰকা এই বিদ্যালয়খনত আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা প্ৰশাসনে আমাক যথেষ্ট সহায় সহযোগিতা আগবঢ়াইছে। আমাৰ আন্তঃগাঁথনি যিখিনি উন্নয়নত আমাৰ যথেষ্টখিনি সহায় কৰিছে আৰু আমাৰ অলপ অভাৱ অভিযোগ আছে। আমি পৰৱৰ্তী সময়ত আমাৰ অভাৱ অভিযোগসমূহ আমাৰ কাউন্সিলৰ সৈতে আমি আলোচনা কৰিম।
On the occasions of Golden Jubilee celebration, a peaceful mass rally was also conducted, followed by various sports competition, literary competition like quiz, painting, etc., and cultural competitions like dance and singing.
Kasi nadak kantinga barajo kirantang bang kitekriya bang putu matasi hoy inglong arat bangunpen kuson si kapatha ang tekima naso kamatha pen alang itu school pen tenglok high school anang pang tengsi alang itu aringkan bang nang klem bang pen pining an ke la an apor nang kililo share talin Golden Jubilee.
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.